Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Schwab One to Schwab Brokerage transfers step by step clearly. To connect your Schwab One account to your Schwab Brokerage for transfers, start by logging into your Schwab One account. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the option labeled Linked Accounts or Account Connections. Click on Add Account to begin the linking process. Select Schwab Brokerage from the list of account types. Enter your Schwab Brokerage account credentials as prompted. Review the terms and conditions provided for linking the accounts. Confirm that all entered information is accurate. Click on the Link Account button to initiate the process. You will receive a notification confirming the connection request. Check your email for a confirmation message from Schwab. Follow any instructions in the email to verify the account connection. Return to your Schwab One account and navigate back to the Linked Accounts section. Ensure that your Schwab Brokerage account is now listed and shows as connected. If your accounts are not linked, double-check the credentials entered during the process. For assistance, access Schwab's customer support through their website or app. Once everything is verified, you can now transfer funds between your Schwab One account and your Schwab Brokerage account. Make sure to review any transfer limits or fees associated with these transactions. Finally, test a small transfer to ensure that the accounts are functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.